Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device and you will be asked to choose your country or region as well as your language and currency. After choosing your country or region as well as the language and currency, tap on the Done button and now you will see the sign in as well as the Create an Account button. Go ahead and tap on Create an Account. Now once you tap on the Sign Up button, you will be allowed to type in your first and your last name as well as your phone number or your email address. After typing in both of these, go ahead and type in your desired password for your account. After typing in all of these, click on the Verify Email and you will now be asked to enter the one-time password that has been sent to the email address that you just used to register. So just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given screen and then tap on the Create Account button. And now you have successfully been signed up to your newly created account on Amazon and you will immediately be able to start your shopping now. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.